guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys my recent morning skincare routine. You guys love to watch my routines and I love to make routines, and in today's video I am not only sharing with you guys my morning skincare routine, and also I am going to reviewing a new skincare brand which is Derma Essentia, and I am very excited for this video because you guys know how much I love skincare and I love to explore new brands. So this video will not entertain you and also help you a lot. So if you are interested and want to see this, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so few days back I received this PR from Derma Essentia and I was really very excited to try their stuff because I have told you 1000 times before that do not use a single product for a very long time because your skin and hair gets immune to that product. So I was looking for some good brands and I received that. So I was very excited and they have sent me actually 3 products. First one is their foaming face wash. Second one is their lightening cream, and third one is their eye cream. I am going to apply everything and going to share you all the reviews. First one is this. This is their Derma Essentia Advanced Urban Pollution Cleanser Hydrating Foaming Face Wash, and this is the packaging. I really love the packaging. This is in foaming form, so which is great. And generally मैं सुबह makeup नहीं करती हूँ, so you can skip this part. And first I am going to remove my makeup, then I am going to show you the application and going to give you all the reviews. And I really love their all stuffs, by the way, and I am like trying their stuffs for 1 week right now and I am really loving their stuff. So first I am going to clean this makeup and then I am going to jump to the skincare part. Okay, so I have removed my makeup and now I am going to move on to skincare. So first I am going to try this. This is their Derma Essentia Advanced Urban Pollution Cleanser Hydrating Foaming Face Wash, and this is the packaging. I really love this packaging and believe me, this face wash is outstanding, and as you can see I have quite breakouts and this face wash helped me a lot. This is not only hydrate your skin and also clean all the dirt and pollution from your face because this product has anti-pollution property in it, and Derma Essentia's brand is dermatology tested, so no matter which skin type you have, you can use their stuffs blindly, and I really love their stuffs. Their all products are cruelty free, and also the best part is that their products do not clog your pores, which is great for sensitive and acne prone skin, so you can trust their products blindly. I really love their stuff. So first I am going to use this face wash, and मैं I think 10 दिनों से सिर्फ मैं सुबह यही फेस वॉश इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ अभी. So before applying any foaming face wash, just shake a little bit, and now I am going to take 2 pumps. So first one and second one, and as you can see ये जो foam है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा thick है, and now I am going to apply it on my face. And now I am going to massage it on all over my face. And I love to use this face wash after removing my makeup because this face wash removes makeup so beautifully, and आपकी face को ज़्यादा एकदम sticky भी नहीं करेगा because it helps to hydrate your skin as well. So if you are someone from dry skin family and you are finding something good face wash which hydrate your skin also, girl, this face wash is for you, and boys also because girls and boys both can use their stuffs. And as you can see ये face wash एकदम face पे क्रीम की तरह मेल्ट हो रहा है. And now I'm going to wash my face and then I'm going to move on to my next step. Okay, so I am back again and look at my face. It looks like I have applied some serum, and look at the glow. And I forget to tell you that their all products contain skin actives, like no issue with their products. And I'm going to quickly go through all of the benefits of this face wash. So first one is this. It helps to gently cleanse micro dirt and clears blocked pores. Absolutely right. And next one, it gently dissolves dead surface of skin. It means it helps to exfoliate, and look at my skin, you can clearly see the glow of my face. And the third one, it offers non-drying and refreshing soft wash. Look at my face, the clear result is on my face. And the last one, it helps to get healthy and refreshing skin. And now I'm going to move on to next step, which is moisturizer. So for that they have sent me this. This is Derma Essentia Skin Lightening Cream and it helps to remove dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So look at the packaging. Okay, so here I need to mention something that lightening creams doesn't mean कि आपकी फेस को एकदम व्हाइट कर देगा. Absolutely not. ये जो क्रीम है आपकी स्किन के अंदर ये पेनिट्रेट होता है, आपकी जो स्किन के अंदर जो मेलानिन है उसके ऊपर ये इफेक्ट करते हैं and that's why it helps to remove all the dark spot and patches from your face. And also these products promote cell renewal. Thus it makes your skin more supple and it helps to make your skin more even. And also these products help to improve your skin tone. Not like कि आपकी अगर स्किन डस्की है तो एकदम ही व्हाइटिश कर देगा, not like that. बट इट हेल्प्स टू रिमूव ऑल द डार्क पैचेस फ्रॉम योर फेस. एंड आपके अगर फेस के ऊपर कोई भी बम्स या छोटा छोटा जो स्पॉट्स होता है वो है तो ये क्रीम उसको रिमूव करने के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम करेगा. एंड यू रियली नीड इतू सा प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज दिस प्रोडक्ट इज रियली हेवी. लाइक इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है बहुत ही ज्यादा हेवी है. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट इट डजंट फील हेवी ऑन योर फेस विच इज नीडेड. And if you are someone from dry skin person, I will suggest that before applying this cream, थोड़ा सा आप कुछ सीरम अप्लाई कर लो. Like Derma Essentia has lots of serum, so try their serums. उसके बाद ये क्रीम आप अप्लाई करेंगे तो बेहतर होगा. And I am going to take this much, not more than that. And now I am going to apply it on all over my face. एंड लुक एट द ग्लो ऑफ माई फेस. मैंने कुछ सीरम कुछ इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है एंड बिलीव मी 10 दिनों से मैं ये प्रोडक्ट्स इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ एंड ये जो स्पॉट्स है काफी हद तक कम हो गया है. रेगुलरली 10 दिन तक इस्तेमाल करने के बाद ऑलमोस्ट ये 50% कम हो गया है. एंड द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट इज दिस इज Derma Essentia अंडर आई क्रीम जेल. लाइटेंस एंड रिपेयर्स डार्क सर्कल, पफिनेस, फाइन लाइन्स, ये सबको रिमूव करने में आपकी हेल्प करेगा. एंड दिस आई क्रीम इज, ओ माई गॉड, दिस आई क्रीम इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. इट हेल्प्स टू remove your dark circle, it helps to remove your fine lines and wrinkles and also the puffiness of your eyes. like बहुत सारे लोगों को ये प्रॉब्लम है कि सुबह उठ के पफिनेस हो जाता है. so this eye cream is for you. like रेगुलर इस्तेमाल करने के बाद ये धीरे धीरे जो wrinkles and fine lines है वो कम होने में ये मदद करते हैं. and also it helps to moisturize your eye area. like before applying makeup you can try this because this is in gel form, this is not a cream based product जो कि मेकअप के लिए बहुत ही बेहतर है. like इसके ऊपर अगर आप कंसीलर इस्तेमाल करोगे तो क्रीसिंग बहुत ही कम होगा. एंड ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स टू ब्राइटन अप योर आईज एरिया बिकॉज ये डार्क सर्कल को रिमूव करते हैं. सो एज यू कैन सी एक पंप पे इतना प्रोडक्ट आते हैं विच इज एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट फॉर वन आई. सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट कि बहुत ज्यादा हो गया तो इसको अंदर कैसे डालूंगी. यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट नाउ एंड दिस इज सो लाइट दैट यू कैन यूज इट ऑन मॉर्निंग ऑल्सो. लाइक मॉर्निंग में हम लोग हमेशा आई क्रीम इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा हेवी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन ये इतना लाइट है आपको ऐसा फील भी नहीं होगा कि आपने कुछ आई क्रीम इस्तेमाल किया है. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेक सेकेंड पम्प. एंड या दैट्स इट. बहुत ही सिंपल सा स्टेप है मॉर्निंग के लिए, आपको इससे ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड ट्राई देयर स्टफ्स. Derma Essentia's products are really very good and you can see a change. like within 1 week you can see a change. and look at my face, I am ready to go now. like इसके ऊपर अगर सनस्क्रीन लगा के I am ready to go outside. so yeah, as you can see my face is looking extremely supple, fresh and also very healthy. so yeah, that's it for today's video. hope you have liked it and liked my routine. if you did, don't forget to like this video and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. all the products link will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that stuffs. I really love Derma Essentia's all product. like जितने भी मैंने इस्तेमाल किया है I really love them. go and check their website, buy their stuffs and don't forget to comment down below कि आपके ऊपर ये कितना असर हुआ है. I hope कि आपको ये प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा because believe me I really love their stuffs. like जितने भी मैंने इस्तेमाल किए हैं I really love them and I am going to surely buy more stuffs, especially serum because I am really very excited to try their serums. so yeah, see you on my next video. till then, bye, stay happy and the most importantly stay safe.